Hello children. Today we shall learn about different forms of water. At home, you must have seen your mother while boiling water. When the water is boiling, what do you see on the top of the vessel? See in the picture. This is called steam and it is very hot. This steam is also called water vapor. So, on heating water, it will changes into water vapor. What happen if we cover the boiling water with a lid? We will see the tiny droplets of water inside the lid. See the picture? There are so many tiny droplets inside the lid. When the water vapor touches the cool lid, it changes back to water again. What happen if we will put the water inside the fridge? After few hours, you will see water changes into ice. Ice is nothing but it is cold water. And what happens if we take out the ice from the fridge? It starts melting and changes back into water. So, there are three forms of water. When we freeze the water, it will changes into an ice and it is called solid form of water. When we boil the water, it will changes into water vapor. It is gaseous form of water. And water is liquid form of water. We can drink it also. Process of changing water. See in the picture, the water is boiling and the steam is coming out. After touching the steel plate, steam will changes into tiny droplets. When water changes into water vapor, it is called evaporation. When water vapor changes again into water, it is called condensation. Let's revise. There are three forms of water: solid, liquid, and gas. We can drink only liquid water. Ice is a solid water. Water vapor is gaseous form of water. On heating water, we will get water vapor. On freezing water, we will get ice. Now, activity time. Put one bowl of water in the fridge. Note down the time till water changes into ice. After few hours, check it. Then take it out from the fridge. Note down the time till ice changes into water again.